Yo, I'm back, my brothers. Excuse me for for the, I don't know, man. I miss you guys, my boys. I miss y'all. So, I don't know, not just though. We hit 70 subs, which is amazing. 70 people, bro, are locked in with us, man. That shit feels like, man, it feels like a dream, my boys. Anyways, I'm happy for that, bro. Yeah, somebody might think it's something small, but bro, it is what it is. So, as you guys can see, our last video was uploaded 9 days ago. 9 days and 10 hours ago, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, man, a lot has happened, I've been busy, not really busy. I just been, messed up in the brain, man. I took a little bit of, a break, but it is what it is. So we back, and yeah, we back strong as ever. So, as you guys can see, the last video was about trash portfolio, right? My trash portfolio. But this from now on, bro, we locking in. Like literally, I wanna go crazy on this project. I wanna get this project up and running. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. So as you guys can see, right, we almost done with most of the stuff. We like the pricing page is done. Yep. The only thing left is to just tie this to like a payment I don't know, processor, not a payment processor, a payment integrated with the payment provider rather. So yeah, and for the bid section, I'll show you guys something interesting, something very interesting. So as you guys can see, here's my AWS S3 bucket, right? So this is Amazon AWS, right? Amazon Web Services. So as you guys can see, I've been really like locked in. Like I want to get everything working up and running. So let's go to the most interesting part of the video, right? Is the upload page. So the upload page, as you guys can see, I have it yeah, it's looking clean, right? So it's not like the previous, like I don't know, there's a video that I uploaded that had this exact page but with different stuff. So I had to redo everything because man, I had to, I had to. So here we can either drag and drop, right, an image, or maybe you can just click and then it will select. So let's try to drag and drop. Let's go to like downloads. So let's say for example I want to use a picture for feature like this one, right? So let's say I'm a producer, so all I have to do is to just select an image. So see how it's responsive, not very responsive, not smooth though, but yeah, it is what it is. So we drop it and then it shows us the name of the whatever file that we selected. And remember, here we are only selecting images. That's why the rest are blurred, or then they're disabled. So audio file, here we can come and select any audio file. Let's say already rich, like this one. So already rich, obviously, man, one day we're gonna get there. So let's type the title. It's gonna be already rich, and then the BPM is beat per minute, so 150. And then D sharp minor is the key, right? Yep. And then obviously I'm the producer, but the price, let's put it 99, I mean 29.99. That's the price. And notice once we click upload, right, it's gonna write uploading. And let's put it to the side. So if we come to the code here, see what the code is doing. Is multi-part uploading, right? It's uploading with parts. So you guys can see the progress here inside the console. So we have an error, and I don't know what that error is about, right? But we shall figure it out, right, my boys? So let's see. So let's go ahead inside our S3 bucket. Let's try to refresh it and see if it has created new folders, and with our beats, right? Oh my god, hopefully it did. Yep. So here we have the audio. We have the audio, which is this one. If we click it this side to open it inside the console, let's see. Let's open it on this. Nothing. So yeah, as you guys can see, the stuff is already uploaded to my S3, and then the cover that we selected was feature. As you guys can see, feature JPEG, the same feature thing that we saw just previously. Yep. So there you go. Now it's already on AWS. But if we try to come here and let's try to refresh the database. Oh, it's also inside the database. So that's interesting. We already have the whole information here, which is the title and the BPM, the the key and the price that we input right here, right? This same thing, and we have the URL. We have the URL for the audio, which is coming from S3, and we're supposed to have the one for the cover image, right? I think it's a bug that I need to solve, right? Because I'm not seeing it, but at least we have like 90% of the progress done. So the main reason why I showed you guys that long hustle is because we are going to use the same information from the database. We're going to come here and say already rich. We're going to display it here as the title, and the BPM we're going to display it here, and the key as well, and the price is gonna come here, and the URL will come here. Like we shall have a play we shall have a pause and play button that is gonna have the audio URL, which is this one. So once this one is clicked, it will play that exact audio that we uploaded to our S3 bucket. So with that being said, we're almost done with most of the core functionality of the app, which is like the MVP, right? The minimal viable product, right? That is supposed to be marketed out. So once I get done with that, I think the next thing is to just integrate the payment system, and let's just monitor if we have something. And then after that, we're just gonna have I think hosting and all this other stuff, buying the domain name and all this. I'll handle all those things, right? But for now, at least, like, these are the things that really took my time, bro. This stuff might look simple and easy, but trust me, it's not. Is not, I promise you. It's not. Yep, a lot of headache, a lot of fixing bugs here and there, and we already have a bug like from the start. So yeah, I think that's interesting. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just handling the card functionality, right? And since I'm using Next.js now as the full stack, like I'm not having a separate backend, it's gonna be easier because all I'm gonna do is to just implement. Once you click this price thing, it will open a certain model, whatever. It will blur the background and just bring like a big model that's having like different price tiers, like if they want the basic lease or the basic license, or if they want the unlimited license, or if they want the exclusive one. So obviously the basic license will be $29.99. I don't know why I'm not just putting it as $30, but $29.99 just looks nice. So the ultimate, I mean, the unlimited lease is gonna be something like $60 or 100. It'll depend. And then the exclusive one can be like $300 or to $500 to whatever. The artist you can decide to negotiate and reach a price point. But for the case of exclusive, that means that beat will not be on your website no more. You'll have to take it down because it's already bought out by an artist. So that's gonna be a lot of things that I'm gonna be working on. But guess what? The project is gonna keep me working. That's all that I want. And as you guys can see, my contribution graph is looking juicy, right? Although it's not very interesting, but for somebody who just started coding, bro, nah, you guys gotta appreciate the effort, man. So yeah, that's it, and I think that's about it. I just don't want to prolong this video and drag it out and all this. So here we have the authentication already figured it out. I think I figured it out like some time back. I think if you've been watching the videos, when I included the authentication. So not actually the authentication. I think that's authentication, but it is what it is. So don't worry about this. These are just like placeholder values to just keep me just going. So that's about it, my boys. I think I'm just gonna stop here for today, right, when it comes to like this video. But for the next videos, bro, I'm gonna keep updating y'all. Like I'm gonna make sure every time I come to you guys with at least an update, right? I don't know if I'll be able to do it every day because we've even started exams at school, the uni, but I'll see you, my boys. So that's it. Enough of the complaint and the rumbling and all this. And another thing I want to say is, you guys can see my beat. I think it's Daddy Bucket, right? This one is now private, right? And I'll tell you guys the reason, right? The reason is I just wanted to be private. That's all. So yeah, that's about it, my boys. And once again, as we conclude, I appreciate you guys for 70 subs. Let's work hard to get it to 100. Yeah, if you guys can, it is what it is. Do what you want to do, my boys. So I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm tired of saying so. So see you guys when I see you. Let's do it. 10 minutes, not bad.